Man-made hazards. According to research of JNMA News, these are the areas prone to fire incidents. According to BFP, or Bureau of Fire Protection, who is responsible in giving information about fire incidents, these are the common causes of fire: fault to electrical connection, lit cigarette butts, unattended cooking fire, open flame from a torch, match, or sulo, and electrical appliances. How does fire can easily spread in neighboring areas? Because some houses are made of light materials such as wood, sacks, cardboards. Pollution. According to DNR, or Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Metro Manila is considered as one of the most polluted cities in the whole world. According to Coalition of Clean Air Act advocates, the air quality in Metro Manila has reached internationally unacceptable levels. The main cause? Motor vehicles. Causes of air pollution: respiratory diseases like lung cancer, emphysema, or the air sacs of the lungs are damaged and enlarged. Chronic bronchitis and asthma. Water pollution. Some bodies of water are biologically dead due to full of toxins. The water is black. Muddy and emits foul odors. Look at the following pictures of these two rivers: Pasig River, Tenajeros Tuliahan River. What have you noticed about these pictures? Pasig River and Tenajeros Tuliahan River are both biologically dead due to industrial waste from factories like pesticides, dead animals, livestock manure, decayed plants, and fertilizer residue. What is the most common types of garbage thrown in any bodies of water? Any guess? It's a plastic. Manila Bay is also prone to abuse due to oil and chemical spills and overfishing. The pollutants in the bay are carried by the flow of Pasig River aside from the garbage directly dumped by the people. Garbage. There are limited space for a dump site to accommodate tons of garbage. Check this out. Payatas, Smoky Mountain. Manila Bulletin reported that Metro Manila or NCR disposes of 8,700 tons of garbage daily. Did you know that dump sites are good for only 2 to 5 decades? How do these hazards affect the region? What do you think? One of the danger-prone areas in the NCR is Marikina because it lies near the fault line. A fault is a break in the Earth's crust, and the movement of the fault produces an earthquake. The fables provides information in the activities of earthquake, volcano, and tsunamis. Did you know that Marikina Valley Fault moves every 200 to 400 years? There are two major segments of fault. West Marikina Valley Fault affects cities of Marikina, Pasig, Muntinlupa, and Taguig. And East Marikina Valley Fault affects the other parts of Rizal. Fault line is capable of producing magnitude 7 earthquake in the Richter scale. The region does not have big open fields that they may run to in order to escape any possible destruction. Government and private contractors plan to build houses and buildings that can withstand earthquake. Flooding and storm surge. Navotas and Malabon are prone to floods. The DOST, NOAH, or Department of Science and Technology National Operational Assessment Hazard, who is responsible in giving information about floods and weather forecasts, is Piñas and Parañaque in Manila are prone to storm surges. Storm surge is water pushed by force of winds swirling around the storm. Floods are rampant in low-lying areas like Manila and some parts of Quezon City. Did you know one of the cleanest plants is in Japan? Check these pictures.